So we have cross-disciplinary, we have multidisciplinary, we have transdisciplinary, and we have one of my favorite, interdisciplinary. Interdisciplinary is where on a molecular, I'm speaking metaphorically, analogically, on an infinitesimal level, two which perceived disciplines that effaces and appear to efface on an infinitesimal level, primarily physics and linguistics. Well, what's the relationship between physics and linguistics? Well, when we get into literary devices, primarily figurative and rhetorical devices, we know rhetorical devices is really conducive to the power of persuasion. What is a sarcastic statement? A sarcastic statement is a literal statement with a contrasting interpretation derived from tone. Sarcasm, condescension, and some aspect of verbal irony. So why is this interdisciplinary? Well,
almost evolutionary, the way that the new features that are introduced, they build off of something that you may have had come into contact with before, so it's like it will kind of continue to grow and starts to take a form, you know, and I can now at that point I'd probably shut off the alpha lock here like this. I'd just do that